doing? Hi guys, what's today? I don't even want to sit this topic. I don't even have the energy. Well, I just left the casting. Let me stay and record. So I used to be in musical video shoots. I used to go for commercials back to back to back. Like I was a vixen, a model. I mean, just name it. I was doing all of the old, entertainment shenanigans, And so I'm still doing it, but right now I just discovered that they were paying less. So that was why I took time off to start working on my personal brand, right? So, and to add more value to myself, that's just basically it. I love the entertainment space. I love the entertainment world because that's my thing. You already know me, and this is what I'm made of. Okay, so I don't want to leave it entirely, but I just realized that, girl, these people, I usually apply through agents, not direct jobs from brands, right? So there was a time I used to get direct jobs, but then the money they were paying was not that much, so I had to take time off. So I just said, let me just give it a shot this year again. I love giving it a shot every single year, and so that's what I did. So I came here for casting today at VI. So I'm done already. My role is a runway model. I've always loved to be on the runway, but Nigerians with their height discrepancies and all of that, so I had to just take time off to focus more on building my own personal brand. Okay, so yeah, I just thought to chip this handrail here real quick in case you see my videos pop up someday. I've done other commercials, I've done other jobs in the past, but I don't know if you ever see them. Maybe when I blow, you guys will see me, but then this is just a quick one, and I just had to talk to the camera a bit because I have to start doing more of talking videos, right? Because I realized I've abandoned you guys a lot. But before then, let me quickly give you a quick OOTD.
You be like a white guy.
Like a white person. Oh, I get that a lot.
There's a flower I wanted to. Can you go to the flower?
To take me? A video?
Yes.
Oh, I don't mind. Come now. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Which flower?
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. I'm okay. Thank you so much. I'm okay. Thank you, sir. What's your name, sir?
I'm Steve.
Steve. I'm Victoria. Nice to meet you. You're very kind. Thank you, sir. I already took off my heels. Okay, so that is my OOTD. This is a quick one. I'm stressing this security. I told myself I was going to get very intentional as regards my health more than ever, and that boils down to the food I eat, and I'm getting used to the idea of eating mostly homemade meals, and I'm also learning the art of really sauteing my food. Gosh, I'm loving how intentional I am with myself more than ever, they say. And yeah, and I think I'm going to try to infuse a little bit of voiceovers to my videos. So yeah, prepare to be sick of me. Yeah. We're still very much into the year. This is precisely January, and I'm still not mentally ready to even start the year. I think what I've been doing has just been basically slowly easing into it, not rushing anything. Another way to put it is just me taking care of me more this year. And I'm learning the art of also slowing down and taking the time to romanticize everything that I do. And I just made myself my favorite cup of comfort tea. Yeah. I stopped making my hair outside a long time. I think like last year. Can you see how long my hair is now? And that decision alone has given me the ample time to really study my hair and find more healthier ways to grow my hair, my edges, and also look for ways to grow the length of my hair. So thank God I have a younger sister who makes my hair, and she's the only one who gets to touch my hair, and also me. No shades to hairstylists though, but I think they've lost the art of being gentle. Like they just want to rush, collect your money and fiam, they are done. And I'm sure most of you can also relate to what I'm saying as well. And this is the most healthiest I've seen my hair ever since I started tending to it myself, and I cannot wait to show you the technique I'm using to grow my hair as I'm still studying my hair and the product and seeing what works for my hair. So I'll be making a detailed video about that in another vlog. Permit me to digress a little bit, What lessons did you learn in 2025? What mistakes did you make? And how do you plan on correcting them so as not to repeat the same thing this year, 2026? Do let me know in the comments, please. I'll start with myself, and also because I'm learning the art of being vulnerable on here. So honestly, I don't know if I did make any mistake, but what I can say for sure is I did learn a few lessons. They were really painful. In Yoruba, we say Obamiloko. So I'll just summarize it in one word. It's called having boundaries. So I think my lack of boundaries cost me some friendships, even if I really don't have that much friends, but yeah. And my way of correcting that is upholding my boundaries and standards by standing on my no. Hi guys, how you doing? So today is 20th of January 2026 and it's 3:38. So today is a very special day for me because my younger brother, who has been in the University of Lagos for like the past 7 years, with all the shenanigans has been happening, right, is convocating today. And so today I'm going to go support him. So I'm heading off now. I just thought to just make a quick vlog and to just say hi, because I said I want to be consistent this year. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. This I'm come and say hi. This one just gained entry into the University of Lagos. I know you saw a video earlier of her entering University of Lagos. So this is the first what's the first word? I don't know. Anyway, guys, see when I see you. I'll add clips of the videos from today on here. Okay, don't talk too much, I beg. So guys, you're right. Hello.
My sister.
CVJ. Oh yeah. I don't come out we go. I need to breathe. I need to breathe.